Drumland! My name is Samuel Plante and I love Collision sticks. I'm a musician based in Montreal, Canada, and I own a little home studio where I write, mix, master, and this is also where I practice on an e-kit. I also play in an indie post-rock band called Rosemount. It's a very fun project. We play small venues around Montreal, and you can check out our Bandcamp and our YouTube page. Recently, I also joined a band called Paradise. They're a band with a cult following, and I'm really pleased to have joined them. You can check out our new single, Queen of Mars, and you can always check out Paradise on paradise.com, Instagram, and also Facebook. I really like Collision Drumstick, especially the 2 beats. I'm a tall guy, and all other sticks feels small in my hand. These, they fit perfectly. I really like these. So they're hard, they're dense, and since they're weight match, the fulcrum is always at the right spot. On every stick, I can find it right away. So even though these are bigger stick, holding them at the fulcrum, you can play really light, shuffle, get some bounce and a lot of speed. When you need power, take them by the button, and then they're really forward heavy. Yeah, it's really nice. Go back to the fulcrum, boop, I know it's right here. I want to show you how I handle these. I'm going to play Never Cry Again by Paradise on a little playthrough.